Hello creators. Now that your watch folder is set up, let's see how to use it to create products automatically. Watch folder allows you to create product drafts just by organizing files into folders on your computer. Each folder becomes one product draft. First, open the folder you selected as your watch folder. Inside this folder, create a new subfolder for each product. For example, fantasy, sword model, etc. Each folder represents one product. The folder name automatically becomes the product title. For example, fantasy sword model becomes fantasy sword model. Lights, underscores, hyphens, and camel case are automatically converted into readable titles. Now place your product files inside the folder. Let's start with images. You can add images in formats like PNG, JPG, JPEG, WEBP, AVIF, or GIF. Each product can have one main image and up to 15 gallery images. Images must be smaller than 2 megabytes each. If you name an image main, it will automatically become the main product image. For example, main.png or main.jpg. If no main image is found, the first image alphabetically becomes the main image. All other images appear in the gallery. Next, add your download files. These are the files customers receive after purchasing. 3DIMLI supports many digital formats, including 3D models like FBX, OBJ, GLB, and Blend, audio files like MP3 and WAV, graphics files like PSD and SVG, ebooks like PDF and EPUB, video files like MP4 and MOV, software installers, and archive files like ZIP or RAR. Each download file can be up to 1 gigabyte. If a file is not already compressed, 3DIMLI will automatically compress it into a zip file. You can also add an optional description file. Create a file called description.html or description.txt. The content of this file becomes your product description. Descriptions can include formatted HTML and can be up to 1,500 characters. You can also add tags. Create a file called tags.txt. Write up to 6 tags. Each tag can be on a new line or separated by commas. Tags help buyers discover your product. Once the folder is ready, place it inside your watch folder. The desktop app detects the folder automatically. It waits a few seconds for files to finish copying. Then a product draft is created instantly. You will receive a notification confirming the draft. To review your draft, open the 3DIMLI website. Go to Dashboard, My Products, Draft Products. Here you will see all drafts created from your watch folder. Open a draft to review it. You can edit the title, update the description, add or remove images, set the category, configure pricing and licensing, and add SEO details. Important: watch folder only creates draft products. Before publishing, you must configure pricing and license options. Once everything is ready, you can publish the product. You can publish drafts individually or select multiple drafts and publish them in bulk. Watch folder makes it easy to upload many products quickly. Prepare your folders. Drop them into the watch folder. Review the drafts and publish when ready. Your store, your workflow, simplified with 3DIMLI.